All right, my watch list for Monday. With the SPY straight up from this big sell-off up into all-time highs, I still think, in my opinion, it's come too far to get there too quickly. And so I'm looking for stocks that are ahead of themselves coming into certain levels for potential shorts. It's just for day trades, though, guys. All right, so let me go into some. And let me use ADSK real quick as an example. Let's take Friday's candle out of it. It's a perfect example of what some of the charts you're going to see. ADSK, let's get a line going here. ADSK, just straight up off the lows, just like the SPY, right? Up into an area that it's had all kinds of trouble with, up over 58 here. And then you see what happens. It gaps up to that spot and sold off all day. So that is my example. And then I'm going to show you some charts I'm watching here. AXL, I'm going to watch the 20 level if we get any kind of gap up that's had trouble with 20. Whoops, CODE I just have on watch. I'm not looking, it's kind of in the middle of a range from down here to up here, but had nice volume. So that could be a long. I'm just going to have to watch it trade. Here's a decent level to watch, the 1950 area if it were to pull back. That's where it bounced in the middle of the day on Friday. Or a potential, just a long setup as a follow-through day. That is CODE. TREX is another example of one, just straight up from those lows into not recent highs, but into, I don't know if that's all-time highs. I mean, going back a lot of years, yeah, it looks like all-time highs. So it's made a big move to get there. We get up over this blue line here, anywhere up around 44. I'm going to see if I can't find an intraday reversal for a short. Again, a lot of people look at that as, well, that's a breakout area up there, but not when it's come this far with no pullback. So it doesn't cost me any money to have them on a chart, and I won't take the trade unless I get a proper setup, especially if the SPY's with me. These could be good reversal plays. LVLT also has had a lot of issues up over 48. This day it got up over 49, but here when it got through 48, just lost it, and it's come pretty much straight up. So we get up over 48, I'll be watching for a potential short reversal. DHR, same kind of deal. Up over 81, could get a reversal there. STX, let me look at that. That is straight up into an area that's had all kinds of trouble with. So up in that area, I don't have an exact number. If it gets over this 63.27 or anywhere around 63.25, I'll see if I can't find a reversal there. And I've got some alerts set on my trading platform. TTWO don't really have any kind of call here other than it's just ahead of itself. And it's, away from the moving average, so I want to watch that one. LNC, a lot like the others I've just shown you. Straight up from 45. If you get up around 56, 57, I'm going to be watching for a reversal there. Some of these may do nothing or come nowhere near these prices, by the way, on Monday, but maybe Tuesday. So these stocks, my alerts are set. So it doesn't matter what day this week they get there. Still might get a nice trade. SGMS, nice volume, little breakout, probably above 1 month highs. And that's an example of one I'll look for a potential continuation. But if we get up over this 13 area to this area, I'll be looking for a short. So there's a couple levels on that one. And that other line is just an intraday support from Friday. So if we get an immediate pullback, might be looking for a long for SGMS. And RADA, one cheapie here. This thing made this crazy move from $1.50 to over $6, and then the secondary move was to $4. And then a few weeks ago, it bounced up to, let me give you some numbers here, bounced up to $2.65, it looks like. On Friday, this hit $2.68 before actually closing slightly below its open. But I really like it over Friday's high. So if this gets up in the 270s, we might get another. This one can move at times, as you can see. You want to see volume come in with that, though. RADA might give a nice long trade. And that's the list I'm starting with. The guys in chat, guys and girls in chat, do a great job of looking for stocks that are getting shape into resistance, shape into support. When I say shape, I mean intraday shape, like a big move away from moving averages, and we do a good job as a team in there, finding intraday reversal setups, regardless of the beginning watch list that I've just given you here. So we're scanning all day long looking for stuff, and we'll do it again on Monday. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow.